Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of GMS Racing. Sorry about last week, we got tied up and missed the video, but we're back at it this week. We got a lot of updates for you guys. We got the Audi R8 in the fleet now. It's sitting pretty right there. So we actually have one reaction video with Jensen's dad. We'll have to show you guys and a quick ride along. But basically, we'll see. You guys are gonna see a lot of content with this car. We're gonna be doing a lot of crazy stuff. Jensen's gonna be doing a crazy titanium exhaust on it. Right now it's just a steel exhaust, but we're gonna be doing a full tie, doing different turbos and changing it up a bit. So we're excited for that. But we'll show you guys a couple ride-alongs. We'll cruise it around town, get some food, and stay tuned.
Sounds good. Man, that thing rolls nice.
It's actually, believe it or not, the Huracan and the GTRs, they're pretty rough. Like they feel like a race car, really stiff.
Oh yeah,
this car's very comfortable.
Yeah, it seems like the Huracan that we got in California is a little smoother than this.
Oh well,
yeah. I mean, it's not quite
yeah. This is like,
well, the Evo, right? That's
yeah,
the one we had down there.
The car's just very like raw.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's super, super raw. It's nice. Super tight fill. Sounds great. Challenge with these is like anything else, right? You can't get the full potential out of them unless you're on a racetrack.
Correct.
Yeah?
Yeah.
900 horsepower. Oh man, that is nice. That thing will throw it, huh?
That was like,
Gosh.
that was like eighth of throttle right there.
Yeah, no kidding. I can tell. So how long did you work on this car?
We worked on this car for almost a year, like 9 months before we got it developed. It's not an easy platform to develop. It's just about it. You know, it's not like any car you can just throw. I mean, these engines are, you know, 30, 40 G's for a used one.
Yeah. So you had to reroute the cooling, put in a bunch of customization to.
Yep, and then the factory ECM tune is running on factory ECUs, which the factory ECUs don't know anything about boost. So we've developed it so it takes boost. It's like an everyday car.
So you had to actually customize that, huh? Oh, jeez. All right. Holy. Oh, all I got to say is this. All I got to say is.
You wanna know something about that though? That whole ride there.
Yeah.
That we were spinning at more than half of it.
Yeah.
All four tires were spinning under more than half of it.
Yeah, I could feel it.
For a second, we weren't even going anywhere.
I know it. I'm telling you. So, in comparison to the Evo, right, that we're running down in Southern California, that literally feels like a vacuum. The continuous vacuum. You don't get that type of a boost.
Oh no.
Out of that, especially when you're at that speed, right?
Yeah, like those, like a Huracan Evo is 610 horsepower, naturally aspirated. They sound good, they run good. If you don't know boost, the second you know boost, you'll never go back to one naturally aspirated. You'll be like, I can't. What is this? You know what I mean?
Yeah. So, seems to me like with that much boost, right? You're gonna have to pay attention to staying on the road.
Correct. So these cars are very stable, and it's one of those things you gotta get comfortable with the car, and I'm comfortable enough with the car to be able to do pulls and feel good about it. You know what I mean?
So you think a lot of those people that wrap these things around telephone poles and everything, it's because they're not
they're careless.
Adapt to boost at all, right?
Yeah, at all. Yeah, and it's like you gotta know where you can't just go do a pull like anywhere.
Yeah, anywhere. Yeah. Even the road will create some huge problems.
You have to make sure that you're in the right place at the right time. You know, you're not gonna lay into it on the curb and end up in the ditch. You know, you see what I mean?
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
I'm an acceleration type of guy, so and these cars accelerate extremely fast. So, you know, second, third gear pull, 60 to 130, 60 mile an hour to 130 miles an hour. And with these higher horsepower cars, they're, you know, mid 3 seconds, and that. So that's, I like that. You just do a quick pull from here to there and get out of it.
Yeah, yeah.
But not get into it and then start doing all these curves and then get crazy and smashing into it, going crazy. That's there's two different types of careful, and then that, you know, I mean, we're
that's good. Yeah. There's another popo.
Oh yeah.
Man, these popos are everywhere. Somebody probably called them. I think there's a car that just passed me at 110 on a 30 mile an hour over here. I think the guy was like launching to the moon. Oh, all I got to do is, I just got to smile, man. That is awesome.
Right?
Oh,
but anyways, that just gives you a gist, like when you want the power is there.
oh man, that's so insane.
I go.
That's fantastic. Seriously, it's like, it just like sucks you forward continual to the point where you almost go, when's it gonna stop? I mean, if we didn't stop, the question is, how much faster would we just continuous pull? You know, pretty awesome, very, very impressive. And I'm amazed at how smooth it is. So any of your guys need to go buy these for sure. Oh man. Yeah.
All right, guys, that wraps it up for this episode of GMS Racing. We got you guys a couple rollers, kind of how the R8's running, giving you a little update on that. We'll be giving you guys a lot more of the R8 coming soon, a lot of the Supra stuff coming soon. Our sponsor has the kit, so he will be showing you guys that soon, as well as he'll be coming here next week to get the kit installed. But that's it for this time. Make sure you like and subscribe. Check out our website for the merch, and we'll see you next time. Peace.